All right, so here's another manifesting hack for you, but it doesn't work unless you try it. So what you do is you want to lay down, take a couple of deep breaths, breathe in, hold it, breathe out, whatever intervals you want to add in there, it's fine. And then once you get relaxed, I want you to count down from 300 down to 0. Now half of you are probably going to fall asleep, but try to stay awake. So once you do this, you're going to become receptive. Your awareness, your consciousness is no longer going to be in your body. I want you to focus on those numbers as much as possible. Once you get down to 0, I want you to step into the state that you desire. So if you desire money, how much do you want? Okay, so you can create a scene, or you can just simply assume that you already have that. But you have to do this after you count down from 300 down to 0. And what you'll notice is that it's going to be easy for you to imagine because you're not thinking of anything external.